On this video, we're going to show you how to reset your service light on a 2021 plate Hyundai IONIQ. So you press this button on your steering wheel. On this car, it's 3 times, and then you will get this screen. Select your service interval and it'll display service in and whatever's left. And then you press and hold the OK button. And then it'll ask you to reset time and distance. You click yes, and it'll show 10,000 miles in a year, 365 days. Press OK again, and that's done. And just to clarify, your OK button is the one that scrolls up and down. If you press it, it's also your OK button. So that is how to reset your service light on a 2021 Hyundai IONIQ. If this video helped you reset your service light, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you'd like more step-by-step automotive tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.